In this video, we are discussing about the shortcuts of trigonometry. So, while solving the trigonometrical problems, simple trigonometrical ratios, we are using the shortcuts. We are discussing one by one. So, let me explain. Suppose some substitution method. There must be one by one. We are discussing the shortcuts. Substitution method. Substitution method is like this. Suppose while taking the theta value or a value, some suitable substitution options are, multiple options are there, easily we are getting that. So for suitable substitution we taken as order 0 degrees, 90 degrees, 45 degrees and 60 degrees and 30 degrees. Zero substituting we are getting the problem easily. Suppose I will explain on that. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to there. So that is theta is 0. So sin 0 0 cos 0 1. That is nothing but 1 square 1. That is the easy way we are getting. So substitution method is the most, while typical questions are there. So simplification is more typical. In that cases we are using the substitution method. While taking the substitution method, there must be two precautions. One is, so options are objective type, options are one or more correct, one or more correct, take another substitution, so substitution, suppose if infinite terms are occurring, are occurring, so we are taking this occurring, so go for another substitution, so this is very important. So infinite terms are coming, suppose the tan 90 is there, tan 90 infinite, so don't use that substitution. Cot 0 infinite. While taking the substitution, if infinite terms are occurring, go for another substitution. So this is the very important shortcut, first one. Now let me explain second one. Suppose theta a plus b are complementary angles, a plus b equal to pi by 2, then shortcut is like this, sin square a plus sin square b. Immediately we can say that sin square a plus sin square b equal to 1. Now this is cos square a plus cos square b, that is also equal to 1. So next, this is a very important shortcut. A plus b equal to 90 degrees or pi by 2. Immediately we taken as sin square a plus sin square b equal to 1 or cos square a plus cos square b equal to 1. This is a very important shortcut. Now third shortcut. So if we take like this, suppose so root of, that is given like this, 1 minus 1 given like this, tan theta by 1 plus tan theta. It is nothing but tan of pi by 4 minus theta. This value is also same as, so root of, that is, this is also considered as cos theta minus sin theta. This is also same formula, cos theta plus sin theta. This is also same as root of 1 plus cos 2 theta, root of 1 minus cos 2 theta by root of 1 plus cos 2 theta plus root of 1 minus cos 2 theta. This is the same. This is also same as 1 minus sin 2 theta by 1 plus sin 2 theta. This is also same as secant 2 theta minus tan 2 theta. So this formula having various method, various forms, tan pi by 4 minus theta, this is same as like this. Cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta plus sin theta, it is also same as this. So 1 plus cos 2 theta, 1 minus cos 2 theta, this is also same as like this. So root of 1 minus sin 2 theta by 1 plus tan sin 2 theta, this is also same as like this. So various forms should be the same. So one more, that is, similarly plus is there. Suppose 1 plus, suppose in another form 1 plus, so fourth formula 1 plus tan theta by 1 minus tan theta is there. Similarly this upon plus, that is nothing but tan pi by 4 plus theta. Now this is cos theta plus sin theta by cos theta minus sin theta. That is also the same form. So root of 1 plus cos 2 theta plus 1 minus cos 2 theta by, so right, that is root of 1 plus cos 2 theta minus root of 1 minus cos 2 theta. That is also the form of root of 1 plus sin 2 theta by, that is 1 minus sin 2 theta. It is same as secant 2 theta plus tan 2 theta. These are the various forms of one formula, tan pi by 4 plus theta. These are the various forms, but gives all same trigonometrical values, same trigonometrical expression. This is also same as directly tan pi by 4 plus theta. That is the way, remember this shortcut. Advantage of this shortcut. Now, let me explain one more shortcut like this. One more shortcut like this, given like this. Very important shortcut. Fifth one. Suppose tan, that is tan 90 minus theta minus tan theta equals to 2 tan 90 minus 2 theta. This is the very important shortcut. We are getting the problems easily. So tan 90 degrees minus theta minus tan theta minus 2 tan 90 minus 2 theta. This is the various forms. Cot theta minus tan theta, that is 2 cot 2 theta. Now cot theta plus tan theta equals to, it is nothing but 2 cosecant 2 theta. These are the very important formulas. We are getting the problems. Cot theta minus tan theta, 2 cot 2 theta. Observe the formulas. Cot theta plus tan theta equal to 2 cosecant 2 theta. Now, so very simple. Some shortcuts are there. Suppose a plus b equals to 60 degrees. Suppose then cos square a minus cos a cos b plus cos, that is cos square b equals to dash. So a plus b equal to 60 degrees. 30 substitute here. So 30 degrees. It is any value a plus b 60 degrees. That is its simple formula. It is nothing but 3 by 4. Right. This is similarly a minus b 60 degrees is there. So sin square a plus sin a sin b plus sin square b. It is nothing but again it is also 3 by 4. It is also 3 by 4. Right. Remember that this is, that is, if you taken like this, so we are getting like the 3 by 4. This is about the shortcut of another. We are discussing more shortcuts like this. Suppose formula is number 7th like this. Suppose cos theta, cos 2 theta, cos 2 square theta, and so on, cos 2 power n minus 1 theta. How many terms are there? Here. So remember that cos theta, cos 2 theta, cos 2 square theta, cos 2 power n minus 1 theta. That is, n terms are there. How many terms? 1 to n minus 1, and here one more term. It is nothing but 2 power n sin theta, sin 2 power n theta. This is the very important shortcut. Here n terms are there. So how many terms are there? N terms are there. Then we are taken as sin 2 power n theta by 2 power n into sin theta. That is the shortcut. We are most advantage shortcut. Suppose question is given like this. Cos theta, cos 2 theta, cos 2 square theta, cos 2 cube theta is there. How many terms are there? We are having 4 terms. It is nothing but sin 2 power 4 theta by 2 power 4 into sin theta. So that is sin 16 theta by, that is 16 into sin theta. This is the most advantage shortcut we are application. This is, so cos theta, cos 2 theta, cos 2 square theta, cos 2 power n minus 1 theta, sin 2 power n theta by 2 power n into sin theta. This is the most advantage shortcut. Now let me explain one more shortcut like this. Suppose 8th shortcut is like this. Sin, so a, first term, sin a plus 2d. Now sin a plus 3d. So angles are in arithmetic progression, sin of a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is first angle, sin a plus d, sin a plus d, a plus 2d. This is sin a plus d, sin a plus 2d. So the angles are in a plus d, a plus 2d, and so on, a plus n minus 1 into d. So these are in arithmetic progression. The shortcut is like this. So remember that, sin of first term plus last term, a plus n minus 1 into d. So by 2 sine nd by 2 by sine d by 2. This is the formula, sine d by 2. This is the very important shortcut. Suppose given like this, sine theta, sine suppose 2 theta, sine 3 theta, sine 4 theta is given. So this is theta difference, theta, 2 theta, 3 theta. Common difference is theta. Similarly, that is sine of first term plus last term, theta plus 4 theta by 2 into how many terms? 1. So that is, remember that 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 terms. Sine 4 into d by 2. That is n is 4, theta by 2 by, that is sine. So d by 2. D by 2 means theta by 2. D is common difference, theta by 2. Simplification, sine 5 theta by 2 into sine, that is 2 theta by sine theta by 2. This is the shortcut formula. So that is sine of first term plus n terms are given. Sine first term plus last term by 2. Sine number of nd by 2. N is the number of terms. D is the common difference. So sine nd by 2 by sine d by 2. This is the very important shortcut while solving the problems. We can get easily. So in cos also we have one more formula like this. In cos also we have one more formula like this. So formula number 9 like this. Cos theta same, cos 2 theta. Suppose cos same, cos a angle taken as a plus d. So cos a plus 2d. So and so on. It is nothing but cos of a plus n minus 1 into d. So the angles are in AP again. Cos a plus d, cos a plus 2d, and so on, cos a plus n minus 1 into d. It is nothing but, so taken like this, cos of first term plus last term by 2. First term plus last term by 2 sine. Now again this is sine and d by 2 by sine d by 2. This is, these two terms are same. This term again here and here same. Here is only cos. In cos are there cos, this and this are same. So that is the way of solving the question. Cos of a plus a first term plus last term by 2. Number of terms sine nd by 2 by sine d by 2. Here also same. So common difference, d is the common difference, n is the number of terms. So previously on this model one question is given like this. So what is the question given? Question is given like this. So sine theta, sine 2 theta, sine 3 theta, and so on, sine n theta by, that is cos theta, cos 2 theta, cos 3 theta, and so on, cos n theta. This is the given question. So previously in CET or some examinations given question like this. So how many terms according to the shortcut? Sine of number of first term, that is first term theta plus n theta, first term plus last term by 2, first term plus last term by 2, sine of, so n terms, that is n theta by 2 by sine theta by 2. So d is theta, here is cos theta plus n theta by 2. So that is sine n theta by 2 by sine theta by 2. So this is the formula. This term and this term cancel. This is nothing but sine of. So sine by cos same. It is nothing but tan of theta into n plus 1 by 2. So this one is given in the options. So that is first term. How many terms are there? N terms are there. Theta plus n theta by 2. Say according to the formula, sine n theta by 2, sine theta by 2. Cos first term plus last term by 2. Sine n theta by 2 by sine n theta by 2. These terms get cancelled. We are getting as tan theta into n plus 1 by 2. Application is important. We have to remember the shortcuts, and application is most important. Now let me explain again very few shortcuts again. Suppose we are taking like this. Suppose we are taking some more shortcuts. If you take like this, So root of, shortcut is like this. So root of, one more another shortcut, I hope that it is the eighth shortcut, root of 2 plus root of 2 plus root of 2 and so on. So that is 2, root of 2. Counting this, these are n root n, so 2's are n. So 2's are n immediately, so that is 2 cos theta pi by 2 power n plus 1. This is the shortcut. So it is nothing but 2 cos pi by 2 power n plus 1. This is the very important shortcut. Previously one question asking like this. So root of 2 plus root 2 plus root 2. Count that. How many 2's are there? 3 2's are there. So 2 cos pi by 2 power n is 3. 3 plus 1. This is the formula. So 2 cos pi by 2 power 3 plus 1. If you simplify that, 2 cos pi by 2 power 4, it is nothing but 16. So this is the way of solving the problem. Here count how many 2's are there. If 2's are n, 2 cos pi by 2 power n plus 1. So 2, 2, 2, 3, the 2's are there. 2 cos pi by 2 power 3 plus 1, that is 2 cos pi by 16. So this problem previously asking in the examination. Now, question now one more formula, that is 2 plus, so root of 2 plus and root of 2 plus and so on. Last term is 2 into root of 1 plus cos theta. So here also same. So 1 plus, that is 1 plus, count the 2. How many 2's are there? 2's are, so 2's are n. This is the formula. So 2 cos theta by, so that is 2 power n. So that is the formula. 2 cos theta by, so 2 power n. So this is the very important formula. Suppose question is given like this. Suppose previously one asking question 2 plus root of 2 into plus root of 2 into 1 plus cos theta. This is the question. How many 2's? So right, that is so 2 cos theta by, so 2's 1 2 3, so 2 cube. So that is the formula. It is nothing but 2 cos theta by 8. This is the formula we are using. So for particular theta value is asking, we have to find out that value, the trigonometrical expression easily. So remember that. How many 2's are there? So 1, 2, 3. So that is 2 cube. So remember that. First try to understand these formulas. We are able to solve the more and more problems. Now, let me explain one more shortcut about this. Let me explain one more shortcut like this. Now, I am explaining now, ninth shortcut is like this. Suppose sin theta, sin pi by 4 plus theta, sin pi by 3 minus theta, sin pi by 3 plus theta. So, that is 1 by, so that is 1 by 4 sin 3 theta. This is very important formula. So right, suppose given as sin theta, sin 60 minus theta, sin 60 degrees minus theta plus theta, that is 1 by 4 sin 3 theta. So in the same pattern, that cos theta, cos 60 minus theta, cos 60 plus theta, that is also same as 1 by 4 cos 3 theta. Remember that. Tan theta, tan 60 minus theta, minus, that is tan 60 plus theta, it is given as tan 3 theta. Divide this one. Listen, this suppose 60 degrees are there. In place of 60 degrees, if we take suppose 120 degrees, so 240 degrees, so 120, 340 and 420, so values the same formulas using, same formulas applicable, same formula applicable. So applicable, remember this. So this is the formula like this. So sin theta, sin 60 minus theta, sin 60 plus theta, 1 by 4 sin 3 theta. So cos theta, cos 60 minus theta, cos 60 plus theta, 1 by 4 cos 3 theta. So in place of 60 degrees, if we take 120 degrees, 240 degrees, 420 degrees, same formula is also applicable. So that is a very important shortcut. So remember that. So suppose, so sometimes simple formulas he is asking, that is one more formula is like this. Suppose a plus b equal to, so strength formula, a plus b equals to, so 45 degrees, given question like this. A plus b equals to 45 degrees. 1 plus tan A into 1 plus tan B equals to, that is 2. This is the very important shortcut while solving the problems. So in previous previous examination, that is asking question like this, tan 1 degree plus into tan 2 degrees into 1 plus tan, so 44 degrees into 1 plus tan 43 degrees. Simple question that is. So that is according to the formula, if a plus b is 45 degrees, 1 plus tan a into 1 plus tan b is 2. So this one taken this one, 1 plus tan 1 degree. So into 1 plus tan 44 degrees. These two put in one bracket. So now 1 plus tan 2 degrees into 1 plus tan 43 degrees. These two put another bracket. This is, so a plus b, 1 plus 45 degrees. This value is 2. Again this value is also 2. We will simply get the value is 4. So try to understand that. So a plus b equal to 45 degrees, 1 plus tan a into 1 plus tan b, that is 2. This is the very important shortcut while solving the problems easily. So generally think of that, we will get the problems easily. This is very important shortcut, a plus b 45 degrees. So similarly in the shortcut, a plus b equal to 45 degrees, a plus b equal to 45 degrees, 1 minus cot a into 1 minus cot b are also having the same formula. It is also 2. So this is also very important. These two, whenever formula application is very important. 1 minus cot a into 1 minus cot b equals to 2. Now, so we are going to, so we are going discussing, so few more shortcuts like this. Suppose very important shortcut given like this. So one more shortcut like this. Suppose a plus b, a equal to b plus c. This is, I hope that now 11th shortcut. A equal to b plus c. Now a equal to b plus c. Now shortcut formula equals to tan a equals to tan b plus tan c plus tan a, tan b, tan c. This is the very important shortcut. So previously one question is asking like this. So what is the value of, right, tan 20 degrees plus tan 40 degrees plus root 3 tan 20 degrees tan 40 degrees equal to how much? Options given like this, 3, so 2, so 1 by 3, so 1, given like this. So what is the shortcut? A equal to b plus c. So a equal to b plus c. 60 degrees is nothing but 40 degrees plus 20 degrees. Application is very important. So that is, so a is 20 degrees. Tan 20 degrees. Formula, apply formula. Tan 60 degrees equals to tan 40 plus tan 20 plus tan 60 into tan 20 into tan 40. This one is tan 40 plus tan 20. So that is tan 60 root 3 into tan 20 tan 40. He is asking this value. Tan 60 is nothing but root 3. So that is root 3. That is the first option is there. So that is the tan 60 is root 3. So this is the shortcut. Tan 60 tan 40 plus apply the formula. Tan 20 tan 60 tan 20 tan 40. So option is first option. That's very important. Try to understand the shortcut. That shortcuts are most important while saving the problems. While taking the same time also. So we are doing also more problems with correctness. Now, so we are discussing. So next shortcut like this. Send shortcut like this. Tan theta into 1 plus secant theta. Tan theta into 1 plus secant. So 1 plus secant 2 theta equals to, that is, remember that this is the formula, tan of 2 theta. So tan theta into 1 plus secant 2 theta equals to tan theta into 1 plus secant 2 theta equals to tan 2 theta. So this is the very important shortcut. Question is given like this. So formula question is given like this, tan theta. So tan theta 1 plus secant 2 theta into 1 plus secant 2 square theta. So write that is 1 plus secant 2 cube theta. Next 1 plus secant 2 power 4 theta equal to dash. This is the question. For this you have to apply this formula. This one is nothing but tan, so 2 theta. Tan 2 theta again apply for this. So we are getting as secant, that is apply formula tan 2 square theta. This is 2 square theta. Again apply for this one. So we are getting as tan 2 cube theta. So apply for this one. We are getting as tan 2 power 4 theta. So this is the very important shortcut. Tan theta into 1 plus secant 2 theta. This one becomes tan 2 theta. Again this one becomes tan 2 square theta. Tan 2 square theta. This one with this one, tan 2 cube theta. This one and this one gives tan 2 power 4 theta. So this is the way of solving the shortcut. This is the way of solving the shortcut. So in this video, let me explain some problems also. You can easily solve the problems. One, suppose question is like this. Suppose easy question. Question is given like this. So sine. First question, sine square 5 degrees, sine square 10 degrees, sine square 15 degrees, and so on, sine square 90 degrees. This is the question, simple question. So we are using the shortcut sine square A plus sine square B equal to 1 if A plus B equal to 90 degrees. This is the shortcut. If A plus B equal to 90 degrees, sine square A plus sine square B equal to 1. So how many terms are there? So 90 degrees, that is. So how many terms? 18 terms are there. How many terms? 5, 10, 15. How many terms? 90. 18 terms are there. 18 terms are there. In 18 terms, 5. So 85, one bracket. So that is because this is, sum must be 90 degrees. So write 10, 80. So now 15 and 75 and so on 40. So that is 50. Here is 5 to 40, 8 terms plus that is, so no pair. Sine square 45, no pair at all. Sine square 90, no pair at all. So these values, 8 terms are there. 8 into 1. Sine square 45, 1 by root 2 whole square. This is 1 square. This is 8 plus 1, 9 plus 1 by 2, that is 19 by 2. This is the way of solving the shortcut problem. So here is 5, 85 one bracket, 10, 80 one bracket, 15, 75 one bracket, 40, 50 one bracket. So how many terms here is 16 terms. Sine 45 there is no pair at all. Sine square 45 and sine square 90 also, that is, this is These terms, 8 terms, this value 8 into 1 according to the formula. Sin square A plus sin square B equal to 1. A plus B equal to 90 degrees. This is 8 into 1, 1 by root 2 whole square, plus 1 square, 9 plus 1 by 2. We will get it as 19 by 2. So now we are going to discussing one more problem like this. Suppose given question like this, sin theta power 4. Sin theta power 4, sin theta power 4 plus cos theta power 4 plus 2. 2 into 1 by 1 minus 1 by secant square theta into 1 minus 1 by cosecant square theta equal to dash. Very seems to be very tough question, seems to be tough question, but this is the easy question. Here is, remember one formula shortcut here,